We're seeing quite a lot of design briefs come in, or architects and designers talking about true body colour and trying to get some brights into those areas. So we'd recommend something like the orchestra range, where we have sort of more of a full colour block on those. Some brights, some primaries, really good for education, for example. We've also got resin ranges where you can have real heavy colour pigment. We've done some projects in Fleur or Screed in Altro area, so there's quite a lot of options along those lines. If you're not looking for resin necessarily and want to go down the vinyl route, we have lots of stone effects ranges. But as well as within those ranges, we have screed effects, but also terrazzo. And terrazzo is really popular at the moment, so we're seeing some real good reactions when we show the design options and those bold prints in terrazzo. Products that tick the biophilic box. So I'd say something like a wood effect or a stone effect, one of our ranges. We've got quite a wide range of those types of finishes on quite a lot of the products, but I'd probably point you in the direction of either cantata or our wood adhesive pre-range, especially for those large areas. If you want to install that quite quickly without too much disruption, that would probably be the best place to go down. The wood adhesive free, we have quite a wide range of colours, and there's quite a low matte level on that, as well as in ensemble. So there's something to sort of tick all of those boxes depending on what your brief is. Lots of those nice greyish type finishes if you're looking for a soft, natural feel to the area. And depending on what happens around, you might need some wall protection or even a digiclad image in that type of space. So if you're looking for a product that doesn't have too many joins or visible joins, you could look at an LVT. Some of that range has stone effect or wood effect that can give a much more natural feel. It's got a very low gloss level, so it looks quite natural, not too many repeats on the pattern. Also, we micro bevel the edges by standard, so when it catches the light, it just picks up the sides where they have that slight amount of gloss to make it look much more like an engineered wood or a natural stone. Lots of our products will tick different boxes if you need certain certification, including well and indoor air quality. Some of our products reach gold certification for that. And obviously, if you're having to consider things like BREEAM ratings, then just ask us, because we can meet lots of that certification and have considered all of those things for the specifiers.